Today I'll be crafting a delectable Indian delicacy Kurkuri Bhindi, both deep-fried and air-fried. Get ready to savor the symphony of flavors and textures as we craft this crispy sensation using both traditional deep frying and modern air frying techniques. It's a crispy, crunchy and utterly delightful treat that you won't be able to resist. So let's get started. Take washed and dried okra, ensure they are completely dry because the moisture is our enemy here. Trim the ends and slice the okra vertically into uniform stripes. We are also removing the seeds for that ultimate crispiness. Now let's spice things up. Add ground flour, rice flour, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, dry mango powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Gently mix everything to ensure that spices are evenly coated. Let the mixture marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time for the magic of deep frying. In a deep frying pan, heat enough oil for deep frying. Just before frying, shake off any excess flour and then shallow or deep fry the marinated okra in batches until they are crispy and beautifully golden. Remember, the pan should never be overcrowded. Also, avoid fussing with them too much while frying. Remove the crispy okra from the oil and place them on an absorbent paper to drain any excess oil. And there you have it. If you are looking for a healthier alternative, we have got you covered. Preheat your air fryer to 175 degrees centigrade. Arrange the basin-coated okra stripes in a single layer in the basket. Now air fry them for about 10 minutes. Our crispy, air-fried Kurkuri Bhindi is now ready to be served. Sprinkle some red chili powder, chaat masala powder to enhance the flavors. Our masterpiece is complete. Serve this delectable dish piping hot as a side dish or as a snack. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser. I appreciate your company as we prepare the delightful Kurkuri Bhindi, crispy and full of flavor. Whether you go for deep frying or air frying, the taste is undeniably tempting. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your fellow foodies. Until next time, happy cooking!